Wanyanella. Welcome everyone.
We acknowledge the traditional custodians
of the lands on which Sesame Lane services are located.
In the Moreton Bay Region, Queensland.
Where we all live, work and play.
In the spirit of reconciliation,
Sesame Lane pays our respects
to the traditional custodians of country.
Not only in our region, but also
throughout all of Australia.
And acknowledge their deep connections
to land, sea and community. We pay our respects and acknowledge
Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander children.
as future elders and leaders.
We acknowledge the past and stand together for the future.
We extend our respect and commitment to reconciliation
to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. We walk together.
We walk together.
We walk together.
We walk together.